Taveta Orlando chako ng'anyo mar odiechieng' makiny tok twak e kindi kod tend kaunti no gore Luanda. Jotelogo mano osebwogo dhi ng'anyo juma mokalo wacho ni sirikand kaunti no oserem loso dwachgi gi nyono kar tiendgi ni gidwaro mondo mi ochulgi osachgi kendo chwalo omenda ming'adogi ne chenro mopogore opogore kaachiel kod loso makare chenro mar okumba mar thieth ne gin. Jochiw thieth go ywak ni pok ochulgi osara ma dwe mar 8 ka giywak ni bende ne gitiyo e lwasi marach kaluwore ni ute thieth go onge yedhe kod mwandu mochuno mag chiwo thieth.
We had an agreement that salaries should be paid on or before 5th of every month. But that's not happening. As we are speaking today, we are yet to receive even our August salaries. The second issue was about our comprehensive insurance cover. We want to tell the Datuzens that we, as the employees of this county, we do not have any insurance cover as we are speaking today. And this has stretched all the way from January 2024.
Imefika mahali, you're supposed to wear gloves on both hands. Lakini tunavaa mkono moja ndo preserve isiishe. That is not acceptable. And these are the things, si eti hii ni right ya mgonjwa na mimi nikiwa pale hospitali. So the minute hamprocure gloves, the minute hamleti cotton hospitali, these are the basic, the most important things. Kazi inakuwa ngumu.
Tunawaeleza wale wananchi kule. Sisi hatufurahi kwamba hata sasa wanapokuja katika mahospitali wanakosa madawa. Kuna akina mama, kuna akina baba, kuna akina babu hawawezi nunua madawa ya sukari, madawa ya pressure hayako katika hospitali. Na tunajua madhara ya kukosa haya madawa. Kwa hivyo wakati huu, hata wakati tunaenda katika mgomo, tunataka waelewe kwamba wananchi kwamba haya mambo pia tunapigania sababu yao ili waweze kupata huduma bora na si bora huduma.